Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about a website builder. As you might already know, many businesses use websites and they even spend a lot of money to hire professionals to build their own. A website is an opportunity to make great impressions and comfort people that you are a real business. Now let me introduce you Wix. So using our Google Chrome app, let's launch it and let's type in www.wix.com and it will bring you to this page. Okay, so in my case, I have already an account here, so let me log out first. Okay, and when you type in www.wix.com, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so let's hit this button. Okay, so you will be asked to make an account or to sign up. So you have options. You can use your Google account or your Facebook account. So in my case, I have already an account, so I'm just going to log in using my email. Okay, so upon logging in, it will bring you to this page where you can begin creating your first site. Okay, so the good thing about this, guys, is you can create amazing websites for free. Okay, so you heard it right. This is for free, but they have amazing features where you can pay for, so you can experience the website builder even better. So they have paid plans. So if you find this video informative or helpful, please don't forget to click the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.